Hey Roar Kids, are you ready for another exciting contest? I knew you would be. In my hands is a jar of candy. Now and laters. Now the now and laters have 4 each. Okay, so you need to remember that. That's important. We got some Starburst, we got some bubble gum, all kinds of candy in this jar. And the person who comes closest to the exact total without going over by next Sunday will win this big jar of candy. Remember, the now and laters, there are several of them in here. They each count for 4. Everything else is 1 piece each. And the person who guesses closest without going over by next Sunday, the 19th, just Facebook messages here with your guess, will win this candy.